Budget policies are now available to model serving endpoints. So what are these budget policies, Lara?
Yeah, budget policies, they're just tags that you can apply to your serverless compute activity that is assigned to the policy. Those tags, they're going to be logged in your billing records, and that allows you to just attribute serverless usage to specific budgets and do granular billing attributions. And the news here is that now budget policies are supported on model serving endpoints. So that means that if your workspace uses budget policies to attribute serverless usage, you can add a budget policy to your model serving endpoint, which is really great. Just a quick reminder on how to create budgets in order to get those budget policies. You need to go into the account console. From there, you go into usage, budgets, which is here, and you just add your budget. You give it a name, an amount. You attribute some workspaces that are going to be included in this budget, and then you can add some tags. So for example, here we have team name with some teams like the finance team, data science team. And then the great thing I like about it is that you can have email addresses so that people are notified, and it doesn't just rely on the admins, to monitor where we are with the budgets. So that's how you can create the budgets.
Amazing. And then who is the persona who usually creates those budget policies?
Yeah, in order to create the budget policy, you need to be a workspace admin. So the way that you do it is you're in the workspace and you go into compute, budget policies, and from there you create your budget policy. And it's very simple. You just give it a name and then some tags for attribution. So that's very easy. Just a quick reminder that workspace admins, so you can manage and view the budget policies that you created or the ones that you have permissions on. If you're a workspace admin and you want to view and manage all the policies for a given account, then you have to also have the billing admin account level role, which is assigned here in the account console. And if you're not an admin, you can also manage policies if you're assigned budget policy manager permissions.
So how can you do that exactly?
So now that you're able to have that for model serving endpoints, so you remember to create your serving endpoint, you go into serving and you create it from there. You just fill in all the usual field that you're used to. And so now you have this new field here, budget policy. And so you have your available budget policies where you can add them. Now, if you have a budget policy as a user that was assigned to you, all the endpoints that you create are assigned that budget policy, even if you do not select a policy from the budget policy menu, which makes sense, I guess.
And then, yeah?
Yeah, that's it.
And then can we go through the limitations a little bit?
Yes, so just one thing that you should know, it's in public preview, and so right now it's not available for serving endpoints that serve external models or foundation model APIs pay-per-token models. If you've been assigned a budget policy also, your existing endpoints, they're not automatically going to be tagged with your policy. You must manually update existing endpoints if you want to attach a budget policy to them. So here I have an existing endpoints, and that's just here basically. So that's how you can edit and add a budget policy to that endpoint in the UI. And that's it.